at someplace in Deep Ellum, which is south of downtown Dallas. So we're gonna start loading all of our gear into that building right there. Hooray for casters.
Well, this is so terrifying.
What's up, guys? Thanks for watching another one of our giglog videos. This was a wedding we did in Dallas. The client wanted a clean looking setup, wireless mics that worked, and plenty of low end when they started to dance at the end of the night. So that's what we did.
Do what?
Is it a balcony?
No, it's just a staircase.
You know?
Yeah. Are you gonna have everybody dancing?
I hope so.
Okay.
I think they'll be able to hear it at least.
All right. Oh, just don't drive me too loud right here by the bar.
You'll be safe there.
Okay.
Maybe. In case anybody's wondering, this is a Bonobos top, Bonobos pants, and Reebok shoes. I guess I should just download some
Yes, yeah.
I paid for it.
Check 1, 2. Hey, 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Hey, hey. Check 1, 2. Hey, check 1, 2.
3 and 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. We got the speakers all set up. We have about 2 hours to go before they even use them. So we're gonna kill some time and read some books. So we'll see you in a little bit.
old Sleevey.
Oh, it's an elevator.
Alright.
Yeah, you're good.
Alright guys, this is your locally recognized audio engineer signing off for the night. Thanks for watching.